Hey, I'm Scott Hellman. I'm one of the area sales directors here at Fellows. And today I want to walk you through one of the tools that we give you as a rep, which is your Rising Demo Kit. The Rising Kit itself comes in two different components. You have your smaller portion, which is all your fixed arms and your display mat, and then your lower portion, which has all your other parts and pieces you would need to make a demonstration for Rising. The reason we give you this is that of all the different ways and components and configurations that you can take Rising, we want to make sure that you had a way of doing that. You can always order in a sample. You can always show one or two different ways. But what if you're in the middle of a presentation and you want to take a customer from option A to option B to option C? It's really important you have all the components of Rising to be able to show those all in one setting. Okay, let's take a little further look into the Rising kit and see the different components that make it up. First, we're going to start with the smaller of the two bags. This particular piece, when you open it up, first thing you'll notice is you've got a Rising demo pad. This goes right onto the work surface. That way you don't scratch the work surface you're presenting on. Also does great with branding with the name of the product itself. Also in here, you're going to find you have 4 different fixed arms, 2 different motion arms, a dual stem, and a single stem. That way you've got all the components you would need in any configuration that you want to present. Okay, let's take a look at the second part of the Rising kit. It's the larger of the two portions. One of the things that you're going to have in here, and I always recommend that you take out in the field with you, in this back zipper pocket, always make sure you include a Rising brochure and a Rising installation guide. And then also in here, you're going to have your component list of your 2 different kits. What this is going to allow you to do is if you ever take a part out, leave it behind, leave it for a demo, you'll know what to reorder and what goes back in the individual slots of the kit itself. Next, you're going to find in here your different color chips. Really important to be able to have, people like to be able to touch and feel the color chips. They're in this kit as well. And then is the remainder balance of this. We talked over here where we had the fixed arms and the motion arms. In this kit here, you've got all 3 mounts, single, dual, and pole mount, as well as 2 different sliders, your Visa mount, and your tools that you need to do any adjustment that you have to in the field. What's also included is 2 demo plexi screens. Down here in this lower pocket, you'll find the demo screens available for you to pull out and use on your presentation. There's no better way to show a monitor arm than with the weighted demo screen to make sure they can see the ease of use and balance and finger touch adjustment on all of our monitor arms.